Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. The Book of Revelation, Chapter 21. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth have passed away, and there was no more sea. And I, Yochanan, saw the holy city, New Jerusalem, coming down from all, out of the heavens, prepared like a bride adorned for her husband. And I heard a great voice out of the heavens say, Behold, the tabernacle of all is with men, and he will dwell with them, and they will be his people, and all himself will be with them, and be their all. And all will wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there will be no more death, nor sorrow, nor crying, neither will there be any more pain, for the former things have passed away. And he who sat upon the throne said, Behold, I make all things new. Then he said to me, Write, for these words are true and faithful. Then he said to me, It is done. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I will give to him who is thirsty from the fountain of the water of life freely. He who overcomes will inherit all things, and I will be his all, and he will be my son. But the fearful and unbelieving, and the abominable, and murderers, and whoremongers, and sorcerers, and idolaters, and all liars will have their part in the lake that burns with fire and brimstone, which is the second death. And one of the 7 angels who had the 7 vials full of the 7 last plagues came to me, and talked with me, saying, Come here, I will show you the bride, the Lamb's wife. Then he carried me away in the Spirit to a great and high mountain, and showed me that great city, the holy Jerusalem, descending out of the heavens of all, having the glory of all. And her light was similar to a very precious stone, even like a jasper stone, clear as crystal, and had a wall great and high, and had 12 gates. Moreover, at the 12 gates were angels, and names written on them, which are the names of the 12 tribes of the children of Yeshariel. On the east were 3 gates, on the north were 3 gates, on the south were 3 gates, and on the west were 3 gates. Also, the wall of the city had 12 foundations, and in them were the names of the 12 apostles of the Lamb. And he who talked with me had a golden reed to measure the city, and the gates of it, and the wall of it. And the city is laid square, therefore the length is as large as the width. And he measured the city with the reed, 12,000 furlongs. The length and the width and the height of it are equal. And he measured the wall of it, 144 cubits, according to the measure of a man, that is, of the angel. And the building of the wall was jasper, and the city was pure gold, similar to clear glass. And the foundations of the wall of the city were garnished with all types of precious stones. The first foundation is a jasper, the second is a sapphire, the third is a chalcedony, the fourth is an emerald, the fifth is a sardonyx, the sixth is a sardius, the seventh is a chrysolite, the eighth is a beryl, the ninth is a topaz, the 10th is a chrysoprasus, the 11th is a jacinth, the 12th is an amethyst. Also, the 12 gates are 12 pearls. Each of several gates was 1 pearl, and the street of the city was pure gold, as if it were transparent glass. However, I did not see any temple in it, for Yahweh El Shaddai and the Lamb are the temple of it. Furthermore, the city had no need of the sun, nor of the moon, to shine in it, for the glory of all lightened it. Also, the Lamb is the light of it. Therefore, the nations of those who are saved will walk in the light of it, and the kings of the earth will bring their glory and honor into it. Moreover, the gates of it will not be shut at all by day, for there will be no night there, and they will bring the glory and honor of the nations into it. Also, nothing that defiles will enter into it, nor whoever works abomination, nor makes a lie, but those who are written in the Lamb's book of life.